Welcome back. Let's now take a look at our second business requirement. Let's assume that the NYC Taxi and Limousine Commission wants to identify the demand for taxi in different boroughs and days so that they can cater for the demand by supplying more licenses as required. Let's go through the specific requirements. Firstly, they want to know the demand based on the borough. Secondly, they want to know the demand based on the day of the week. And finally, the company also wants to know whether customers that using the dispatch service are getting the taxis retail. Apart from this, the company has interest in knowing the total trip distance, travel duration, total fare amount taken broken down by trip date and borough. Let's say we want to implement the first three requirements using a Power BI report. I would like you to do this as an assignment and come back to the video if you get stuck, and I'll walk you through my solution. I'll also make my reports available for you if you want to import the report and play with that too. Good luck with the assignment. I'll see you shortly. Welcome back. I hope you've successfully managed to complete the assignment. Let me walk you through what I have done. As you can see here, I took the same report we had and added a new page called Demand. And that's where I've created the results. But it's up to you. If you want to create a new report, that's fine as well. But this is what I have done. And as you can see on the right-hand side, I've used the same table view, in this case VW, and it's called Trip Data Green to get the information that we need for this report. So let me walk you through the report here. As you can see, similar to the other report, I've created the title with the text box here, and I've got the three visuals here. Amongst the three visuals, we've got a 2-column charts and a line chart here. Let me walk you through the column charts on the top. And the first one here gives us the demand by day of the week. So we've got the trip count on the y-axis and AAA on the x-axis. And I can see that it's more demand for taxis on, for example, Thursdays and Fridays. Fridays seem to be the most popular day. And similarly, this report gives us demand by borough, and clearly Manhattan's got the most demand for taxis. But one thing you may realize is actually we don't really know how many licenses are currently issued. So it's difficult for us to say from this report whether we need to issue more licenses, but that's the way it is. We don't have that information here, so we couldn't plot it. But if you had that information, you can plot it here. So you can see whether there is a need for more licenses. And the bottom visual here gives us the trip count by the trip type, which is a state hail or dispatch by 2 month as well. And we plotted it from 2020 January onwards to 2021 July. As you can see, it looks like the dispatches are very few compared to these types. So that's everything we wanted to plot in this report. So that's everything I wanted to discuss in this session, and that's the end of the session. I'll see you in the next one.